Assignment policies include whether an assignment is graded or ungraded, the number of question attempts that students are allowed, and the level of question assistance that students can access. You can see the policies when you select Preview for a WileyPLUS assignment. In this case here, we have question policies of 3 attempts per question, and the students can see various links and solutions after specific attempts. To create your own policies, you first need to modify an assignment. To do this, select Modify and use Copy. After you have organized the questions in the assignment, select Set Policies. This includes settings as to whether students can see their scores and answer feedback after the due date has passed or after each attempt. You can also determine how many attempts are allowed for each question and whether scores are reduced after each attempt. Further to this, you can determine the assistance that students receive. For example, you can determine when students will receive a link to the text or when they can see the answer. If the assignment has algorithmic questions, you can set how the values in the questions are handled for each attempt and each student. If you use the same policies on a regular basis, it is a good idea to save these settings. Then select Finalize Assignment. Here you will find policies specific to the class section. These include the start date, the due date, whether the assignment scoring is graded or ungraded, and what sort of access students will receive after the due date. You can also select Auto Submit. This is when assignments not finished on the due date are automatically submitted. A time limit can also be set for each assignment, and you can also hide the question title from students. The next step is to select Assign, and the assignment will now appear under My Assignments.